Hello everyone. If you're searching for the best coffee makers to elevate your home brewing game in 2025, you've landed in exactly the right place. We've done extensive research and hands-on testing to bring you the top coffee maker options for this year, considering performance, value, and real-world usability. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned coffee enthusiast, we've got something perfect for your needs. Our list covers different categories and price points, so make sure to stay tuned until the end to find your perfect match. Let's dive right in and explore what makes these machines exceptional. At number 1, we have the Breville Barista Touch Impress. This semi-automatic espresso machine has earned our top recommendation for delivering professional quality results with remarkable ease of use. Built with premium brushed stainless steel construction, it combines durability with elegant aesthetics that complement any kitchen design. The machine features an integrated conical burr grinder with 30 precise settings, automatic dosing and tamping system, and an innovative auto milk texturing system that works exceptionally well with both dairy and plant-based alternatives. What truly sets this machine apart is its intelligent Impress puck system. This technology automatically doses, tamps, and even suggests adjustments if your shot is under or over extracted, making it perfect for beginners while still offering the controlled experience users crave. The bright touchscreen interface guides you through every step, from selecting your drink to customizing strength and milk texture. The thermojet heating system reaches optimal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, ensuring you're never waiting long for your morning coffee. Performance-wise, this machine consistently delivers rich, aromatic espresso with beautiful golden crema. The auto milk system creates silky microfoam perfect for latte art, and while it's optimized for dairy milk, it handles plant-based alternatives remarkably well. With 8 preset drinks and unlimited customization options, it adapts perfectly to household preferences. Though it comes with a premium price tag, the combination of convenience, consistency, and cafe quality results makes it an excellent long-term investment for serious coffee lovers. Coming in at number 2 is the Moccamaster KBGV Select, our top pick for filter coffee enthusiasts. This hand-built Dutch masterpiece exemplifies the philosophy that doing one thing exceptionally well is better than doing many things poorly. With its distinctive retro design available in 21 stunning colorways, this machine isn't just about performance. It's a statement piece that adds character to any kitchen. The beauty of the Moccamaster lies in its elegant simplicity. Just 2 buttons control everything you need, while the removable filter holder allows precise coffee measurement on your kitchen scale. The copper heating element brings water to the optimal 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit brewing temperature range, while the unique showerhead design ensures even saturation of coffee grounds. In our extensive testing, it consistently produced a full carafe of perfectly extracted filter coffee in under 6 minutes. Build quality is exceptional, with each machine hand-assembled in the Netherlands and backed by a 5-year warranty. The thermal carafe maintains ideal serving temperature without a hot plate, preventing that bitter, overcooked taste common with cheaper models. The automatic drip stop feature and mess-free pouring spout show attention to detail that coffee lovers appreciate. While it's more expensive than basic drip machines, the Moccamaster's combination of reliability, performance, and timeless design makes it a worthwhile investment for filter coffee purists. At number 3, we present the Ninja Luxe Café, the ultimate all-in-one solution for households that can't choose between different brewing methods. This versatile machine handles espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew with equal proficiency, making it perfect for families with diverse coffee preferences or individuals who enjoy variety in their daily routine. The Luxe Café impresses with its intelligent brewing assistance technology. The machine suggests optimal grind sizes and dosages for each brewing method, taking the guesswork out of coffee preparation. For espresso, it delivers impressive 15-bar pressure extraction with rich crema, while the drip coffee function produces well-balanced, full-bodied results. The cold brew feature is particularly noteworthy, creating smooth, concentrated coffee without the typical 12-hour wait time of traditional cold brewing methods. The integrated automatic milk frother creates creamy microfoam for cappuccinos and lattes, though, like most automatic systems, it performs best with dairy milk. The machine's compact footprint belies its versatility, and the intuitive control panel makes switching between brewing methods effortless. With its ability to handle everything from quick morning espressos to relaxing afternoon cold brews, the Ninja Luxe Café eliminates the need for multiple machines, offering exceptional value for versatile coffee lovers. Number 4 brings us the Smeg BCC13, a fully automatic bean-to-cup machine that epitomizes hands-off luxury. This Italian-designed beauty handles every aspect of coffee preparation automatically, from grinding beans to frothing milk, delivering consistent cafe-quality results with 0 effort required from users. The BCC13's performance consistently impressed our testing team. The built-in burr grinder produces uniform grounds, while the automated brewing system extracts espresso with rich flavor and perfect golden crema every time. The automatic milk frothing system excels with dairy products, creating silky smooth texture ideal for cappuccinos and lattes. While plant-based alternatives don't perform quite as well, the results are still acceptable for most users. Operation couldn't be simpler. Just load beans, add water and milk, then select your desired drink from the top-mounted control panel. The machine handles grinding, dosing, tamping, extraction, and milk frothing automatically. Self-cleaning cycles maintain peak performance with minimal user intervention. Though the premium price reflects its luxury positioning, the BCC13 justifies the investment for busy households wanting consistent, high-quality coffee without the learning curve or daily involvement required by manual machines. Finally, at number 5, we have the DeLonghi Dedica style, proving that great things come in small packages. This ultra-compact manual espresso machine measures just 6 inches wide, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or offices where counter space is at a premium. Despite its diminutive size, the Dedica style delivers impressive performance. The 15-bar pump system maintains proper extraction pressure, while the rapid heating system reaches optimal temperature quickly. The manual steam wand, unusual for a machine this size, allows skilled users to create properly textured milk for lattes and cappuccinos. During testing, it produced surprisingly good espresso with minimal effort, though you'll need a separate grinder for optimal results. The machine's simplicity is both its strength and limitation. Controls are straightforward, maintenance is minimal, and operation is quiet at just 55 decibels. However, the compact design means you can't fit large cups underneath, and the pressurized filter baskets, while beginner-friendly, limit extraction control for advanced users. For those wanting to enter the world of home espresso without sacrificing precious counter space, the Dedica style offers an excellent starting point that won't overwhelm beginners or disappoint experienced users seeking convenience. So there you have it, our top 5 coffee makers for 2025, each excelling in different areas to meet various needs and preferences. From the beginner-friendly automation of the Breville Barista Touch Impress to the space-saving efficiency of the DeLonghi Dedica style, there's something here for every coffee lover. Remember to consider your available space, preferred brewing methods, and how hands-on you want to be in the coffee-making process when making your decision. Like this video if it helped you choose your perfect coffee maker, subscribe for more in-depth appliance reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Happy brewing, everyone!